Good morning, students. Welcome back to my channel, Molecular Mysteries. So, the today's topic that I want to talk about in this class is how the alcohol affects the heart health of a human being. So, in the previous classes itself, you are well aware of how the heart functions, what are the chambers of the heart, and how the arteries and veins work in the heart. Right. So, let's see how does the alcohol and what are the ingredients present in the alcohol that would affect the heart health of a human. Okay. So now let's get into the class and see what are the ingredients present in the alcohol. Okay. So alcohol is mainly composed of ethanol and water. So, you know that the toxins that are present in alcohol are very dangerous as they mainly contain acetaldehyde and acetic acid. These names will come across in the chemistry because acetaldehyde does have a group called CHO, and acetic acid, you know, that has COOH group, right? So these, upon taking over and over alcohol, weakens the heart muscle. At the same time, the acetic acid, when consumed, when it passes through the intestine and the esophagus, the mucous membrane present within these membranes get irritated, leading to the tissue destruction. So it is the major effect of consuming alcohol continuously, overtaking. It's called alcohol binge. Okay, that is how it indirectly affects the heart health. Okay, now let's see what are the diseases that are caused due to the overconsumption of alcohol and what are the types of disease that are related to heart. Okay, now let's see. And there are many disturbances that happen in the heart when you consume more and more alcohol, leading to the dehydration of the body. So you see, lot of the for every disease, the main primary reason is dehydration. Overconsumption of alcohol leads to dehydration. So then let's discuss about the disease called atrial fibrillation, which is also called the holiday heart syndrome. So upon taking the alcohol in binge, it leads to blackouts, dizziness, and also the irregular heartbeat, which originates from the upper chambers of heart. Now let's see the what is alcoholic cardiomyopathy. So this is the second one after arterial fibrillation. This is alcoholic cardiomyopathy. Okay, so this is happening due to the weakening of your heart muscle. Heart muscle becomes so well enlarged, and they become weak to have those palpitations, and heart enlarges in size also. This is the secondary thing of your cardiomyopathy. So the progressively they become breathless. Acetaldehyde produced by the alcohol increases the heart muscle toxicity and it leads to the heart failure. This is the alcoholic cardiomyopathy symptoms. Okay, so without any delay, now let's get into short. What are the effects of alcohol? Like in short, I'm explaining you so that it would be easily remembered. Okay, so whenever the alcohol binge happens, it leads to excessive dehydration. This is how the water is completely absorbed, and water is completely because of the alcohol consumption, the whole mouth becomes dry, and water badly needs water. So that is how the excessive dehydration. And when this happens, in order to protect ourselves, the body would immediately increase its heart rate. So they're simultaneously proportional to each other. Whenever the dehydration happens in the body, it leads to the heart rate increasing. So increasing heart rate lead to arrhythmia. What is arrhythmia? Arrhythmia is an irregular heartbeat. So when there is no proper hydration to the body, it leads to elevated heart rate. This elevated heart rate leads to arrhythmia, and this arrhythmia, if untreated, leads to heart stroke. And the second side effect of having alcoholic binge leads to the increase in blood pressure. As I told you, the elevated heart rate sometimes also leads to irregular heart rate and leads to increase in blood pressure. And again, if it is untreated, it leads to heart stroke. So this is the explanation of how the alcohol affects the human health, especially the heart. So this is how it looks like. So in the next class, I will come with an interesting topic. And thank you and have a nice day.